Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to 7th live stream. And this, if you are in the Telegram community, you already have seen this trade. This was 1 ratio 3 R trade. So we start our today's live stream. First of all, I'll remove all these things. First of all, look at the economic calendar. If you have not changed your forex factory time to UTC minus 5, like to New York local time, first of all change that. Then you are going to have time frame alignment with trading view. Today is Wednesday. There is no high impact news related USD because we are trading gold USD, XAU USD. So first of all, I'll remove all these things so that we can draw again. If I move to the weekly chart, you can see here is a wick of the weekly chart. I closed all my trades before the market hit that wick because no one knows that if the market starts moving down from there. We have marked this wick weekly. Okay, so there is nothing else that we need to mark, only this one on this weekly time frame. And if I move to the daily time frame now, see, like this week is an order block, like you can say this order block, like what is this is a bearish order block. It will push the market down, and you will see the market will retrace down from there when the market reach at this level. We can also mark it's open, like it's open. I like to mark it's open. Like I was sure at that time that the market will definitely go to this wick. Like I took two trades of almost first trade was of 170 pips in profit, and the second trade today of today like 120 pips in profit. None. Now if I move down to the 4 hour time frame, like the same things, like here is a fair value gap. You can call this as an invariant fair value gap. That is our invariant fair value gap. Let's see how the market respect all these PDRAs that we have marked. At 9:30 QT opens and the market has already pumped enough towards up. This is our invariant fair value gap, or you can also call it like BCCB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, or buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So now we move down to 1 hour time frame. The overall trend of the market was bullish. Just due to US elections, the market moved really good towards downside and balanced itself, and then it is moving towards up again. And this is our invariant fair value gap now. And now we are the 1 hour time frame, one of our favorite time frame, and here we will mark our this is our 2 day open, like at 0 like at 0 GMT, new daily candle form. And if I mark This is our weekly open from here, and like market moved down before moving up. This is how accumulation, manipulation, distribution works on every time frame. It can be your daily time frame, your 4 hour time frame, or your 1 hour time frame. The market is going to remain the same. Now we have marked, let me mark for more understanding. This is our NDO, new day open. Now the market has reached the weekly wick. You can see the market a little bit reacting with this, but we are not interested in that. At 4 hour, you are going to see a reversal trade. Let's see if we can find that or not, because at 10 a.m., like when the at 10 a.m. The new 4 hour candle will form and you are going to see a new trading setup, a reversal or continuation. Let's see. Now I have moved down to 15-minute time frame, and we will mark our important things like from 8 p.m. to 12. This area is, this is our Asian session, 8 to 12 p.m. This is our Asian session. Like if you know the bias, then these sessions are very important for you, like the highs and lows of the sessions. If I move to now, if I mark our London session from 2 to 5 a.m. This is our London session. Like it is also possible that the London session made the low of the day, or Asian session just, it was just accumulation, manipulation, distribution. You can see this is, like this is accumulation, this is manipulation, and this is distribution now. And here the market has reached our point of interest, that is our weekly wick, and the market is reacting from there. But at 10 a.m., why I want you to see at 10 a.m., let me show you. At 10 a.m. you can see only 18 minutes are left and new 4 hour candle will form, and market balance itself whenever the 4 hour candle forms, especially during volatile sessions like the London kill zone or the New York kill zone. So let's see, there is also, you can see there is also low resistance liquidity run up there, but we but it must balance itself. It will be a good thing if the market balance itself. So the best thing in trading is that you have to wait for the right time. Like you can take a trade, like you don't need to take more trades to make more money from trading. Like trading is the best business in the world. You are the boss, you are the employee, everything. You are responsible for your whatever you behave. So now we are on the 5 minute time frame. Let's see. You can see when the market when the market has hit this weekly week low, it is showing a little bit of retracement, but we are waiting for 10 a.m. Why 10 a.m.? Like at 10 to 11 a.m. is silver bullet time. Like people call it silver bullet time, but the science behind that is the new 4 hour candle form at that time, and due to that reason market balance itself, market balance itself with the time. Like see here I took a trade, if you are in the telegram group, you know, here I took a trade when the market took the opposite side liquidity, and it, like, yeah, if I draw this range like this from here, see the market was into 0.62 to 0.79 level, and my bias was bullish, and I took a trade at this point, and it went into profit of almost 170 pips, and I closed that, and then again I took a trade at this level when the market, if I'll show you, but you can see in the telegram group I have shared both the trades there, so both were in profit. So the market is moving up. Why? Because there is low resistance liquidity runs. This is low resistance liquidity runs. Like market 90% of the time take this. Like when there is no retracement, the market is very clean downfall of the market, and the market has to take order from this, and it will take from there. But at 10 a.m. let's see if the market reverses or not. If you have any question about trading, like I already told in the telegram that if you have any questions about trading, you can ask in the comment section, and I'll answer them. You may To make trading your full-time career, you only need one candle of 1 day or 1 month, or hourly 3 to 4 candles. It is just like that. If the market reverses, what will be our point of interest? Let me show you. This is our whatever the range will be, but we will mark our market will definitely go at this level. Like this is, like, we are trading a lower time frame, so we will have this as our draw liquidity. It is from there almost 43 to 33, almost 100 pips. Let's see. Always do top down analysis of the market, otherwise you cannot see the full picture. Someone like have asked a question, can you explain What kind of explanation you want? Questioning is the beginning of intelligence. Like if you have any question about trading, any question, you can ask me. Like I already have spent a lot of time in the market, so you can ask me. So the market, this is our today's drawn liquidity. Let's see the market reach here or not. But we are waiting. Only 12 minutes are left, and new 4-hour candle will form at 10 a.m. And then let's see then if the market reverses at that time or not. But I want that the market must go up almost to this level, like because there is low resistance liquidity done here, and market can go through it very easily. Let every time frame has the same, works on the same principle. Like here you can see the market did the same, that I showed you my trade, that I took the trade on when the market took opposite side liquidity. Like see on the 1 minute the market took this opposite side liquidity, and then it moved up. Like everybody was thinking that the market structure has shifted, or you can call it change of character. But this is not change of character market structure, because we are not watching the higher time frames. If you do not watch the higher time frame, we cannot predict anything. Like don't stuck in this lower time frame and try to follow strategies like mark 15-minute high low, and then if the market took this high, then you can take opposite side liquidity. Like it is all bullshit. There is a lot of false information in the market. Day trading is not everyday trading. You don't need to trade every day in order to make money from the markets. Like you can have a losing week, you can have a losing day, but at the end of the month you must be in the game and must stand in profit. So now if someone wants to buy, where he will always buy from retracement. Like this is our dealing range of 1 minute. Okay, see, the market has not reached yet our, but here is these points. When you merge multiple things, you are going to get great win rate and everything. There is no strategy that works every time in the market. I am not going to say you that learn this strategy and you will become profitable. Someone has asked, do you teach also? Like you can see on the upside a banner, and on the downside, if you can message on that number and you will get the details. There is a link of our telegram group in the description. If you have not joined that, must join. I post their weekly trading plan, and I also post some trades. Like this week I posted a trade of 1 ratio 3R, and it hit our profit target of 170 pips. And then again just 1 hour before I posted a trade, and it already has hit 1 ratio 3R. Fix always risk, like fix you must have if you want to trade consistently, your risk must be fixed on each trade. Otherwise, we are not going to get consistent results and we are going to stuck. Like if you are taking 20 trades a day, how you are going to analyze your mistakes? Like these are the mistakes on these things I have to improve. Like how you can improve them? But if you have took only 1 to 2 trades a day, that is the best thing, and you can like work on them, and then you can improve them. You can make your trading plan, you can make your trading rules. Like people come into trading for freedom. You can buy sell at any time, 5 days a week. But then when someone tells them that you have to follow rules, you have to build your rules, then he says that it is not good. You cannot make money in trading without rules. Like what kind of rules? Like first of all, must have a trading plan, that how you are going to trade. And don't have a one strategy. Like I don't like that. Always have 2 to 3 strategies. Like I use one strategy for reversal, one for continuation, and one for targeting specific zones. And I already know a lot of strategies, but still I am telling you that only 2 to 3 strategies are enough. Have a risk management plan, and then only you are going to survive. The number one goal of a trader is to protect his capital. If you don't have the capital, how you are going to trade? Like like you have questions in your mind about trading, ask them. Like there is a motivational speaker of India, Sandeep Maheshwari. He tells that questioning is the beginning of intelligence. That's why whatever kind of question you have, you must ask, I'll say. So see, now the market reached this swing point, and the market is showing some kind of respect, but now only 4 minutes are left, and a new 4-hour candle is going to form. And our let's see if the market balance itself on 10 a.m. or not. Only 4 minutes are left. Oh sorry, I have not told you. Like I have told you that you change your trading view time to UTC minus 5, that is with the New York local time. But also change your trading view time to UTC minus 5. This is very important. Like if you don't know the international clock with which you should trade, then it will become difficult for you. See, the market is uh, you can see I mark this on the 1 minute time frame, but it is the same thing on the 5 minute time frame. Market is showing a little kind of respect. It can definitely go up there, because I have shown you that there is low resistance liquidity runs. Like here, this is all low resistance liquidity runs, and market love that. But at this time, new 4-hour candle is going to form, and that's why we cannot take risk. See, What I have shown you in the 1 minute is happening on the 5 minute. Like the market moves from discount to premium and premium to discount, whatever time frame you are using. Which strategy should I learn as a beginner? Like, let me tell you the reality. There is no strategy with which you can make money. I like with which you can make money every time. Like, there is no way to win every time in trading. That is the reality. You have to learn and manage your risk. Like, risk management is the main thing. Risk management and psychology, like how you behave when you are in the trade. If you close too early, or you move your stop loss when you are in loss, like your trade must end in one of four ways: a small loss, break even, profit, very big profit. These are the four things. Very big losses are very dangerous for your account. As a beginner, I'll recommend you that you can go through, first of all, learn the basics like the risk management basics, and whatever the, you can also use ICT concepts, supply and demand zones, support and resistance, trend lines. Like, there are people who are profitable even with the indicators like golden cross and death cross, you know about that, EMA. It depends on the person that which strategy suits his personality, and then he can also refine that. Like, what I have learned so far, whatever strategy you have, markets change and you also have to change it. Like, there is no strategy that was working during 2005 and that is also working now. That's why always learn new things. Like, don't learn new things, but if you continue to learn new things, you are going to stuck in that loop. Yeah, like you learn new things and you apply them, and then you again learn new things, and then you don't switch strategies. Find a strategy, and then what you have to do, refine that with proper risk management. That is the main thing. And then you can have 2 to 3 strategies. Like, let me give you an example of a trader. You can be unprofitable with 90% accuracy, and you can be profitable even with 20% accuracy. The main thing is risk to reward ratio. How much you risk per trade and how much you are making. That is the main thing. So you, what I have told you, that at 10 a.m. we can expect the like for the last 30 minutes, or for how much, for the last, yeah, for the last 30 minutes, that I am telling you that the market can balance itself at 10 a.m. and you can see it is balancing itself. And we are on the 1 minute time frame. It first moved here and then moved up, and then let's see if it goes into our low resistance liquidity runs or into our this uh, balancing point. Like, when you see the trend, like what is the trend of the market? Like, if you see on the, at this point, let me show you an example. You are going to learn a lot here. At this point, this is a 1 minute time frame. Market closed below this with the displacement, so you can call that this is a market structure shift. This is not a market structure shift. Why? Because this is 1 minute time frame, but the rules are met. The market has closed below this low with strong displacement, then it must be a market structure shift. No, you are on the wrong time frame. Like, trade with the higher time frame. If I move to 5 minute, I have removed that. Let me mark it first, like at this. Here you can see, if you are on the 1 minute time frame, you are going to see that the market structure has shifted and it must go down from here. Downtrend has started. So we are wrong. Now if I move to this 5 minute, you can see that this is a dealing range and the market has come into discount, giving us an opportunity. This is also our OT level, optimal trade entry level, from 0.62 to 0.79. You Whenever the market moves up, you are going to get a lot of trades. In trending markets, optimal trade entry level works really good. So here you can see the market has come into discount and then it moved up. Now if I move to 15-minute time frame, our dealing range has started from this point, or you can also from this point. Still it has touched our 0.5 level. We have to move it here. On the other side, there is also a fair value gap, and this is fair value gap, our inversion fair value gap, and the market went into this and then moved up. So always do top down analysis from 4 hour to 1 hour to 15 minute to 5 minute, like this. Then you are going to get good trades. Let me move down to 1 minute time frame. You can trade on any time frame, but you must do top down analysis before taking any kind of trade. See, the market is, let's see, is respecting this. This is our, let's see the fair value gap, and let's see the market close below it or above it. So it has closed above this fair value gap, and let's see if it hold it or not. This was our fair value gap. See, the market moved from moved up, came into discount, like here again, took this high again, and here people will think that the market structure has shifted. That I At this point, like where the market is now at 10:06 a.m. of New York local time, most of the time market balance itself, like it move in the opposite direction of the trade, but not every time, but most of the time. Now you can see the market closed below it. You can see how beautifully it is moving up towards that our 1 hour, that wick, that red line is our wick. That is a risky trade if we have took that. But here is a lot of area here, like let's mark our upside. I don't trade now lower time frames, but I can tell you very accurately where it can go and how it will go there. Okay. So this orange line, let's see, when the market at 10 a.m. reverses, it is not going to go up like this, like it is going to go like on the downside. If it is from here to here, it is almost 50 pips. It is going to take our first high very soon, only in the next 1 to 2 minutes. If the market reverses at 10 a.m., it is not going to go up like this. But today there is a lot of low resistance liquidity runs on the upside. That's why it was risky to balance. Like what I have told you about 1 minute before, that the market will take this high, and it has took it now, and it is almost moved almost uh, 41 to 46, almost 50, more than 50 pips. So we have time. You can ask questions in the comment section if you have any. Now what is our next dealing range? This is our next dealing range. You can also use this, but it is also going to remain the same. Not big difference. Here is our swing point. So this is our point of interest. Let's see, the market came down to our this level, or it continued to move up towards this our drawn liquidity on the upside. Like the live stream if you have not liked it yet, and I think we have framed a really good trade, but I was looking for at 10 a.m. that it must balance itself, but it is when the market wants to balance itself, it not go up like this, it only go down without moving up, especially at 10 a.m. New York local time, because it is silver bullet time. Like when there is high volatility in the market, it is also possible that the market continue to print buy candles 15 straight or 20, 30, no one knows, but it must need some kind of selling orders so that it can go down to discount and then move up to whatever it wherever it wants to go. Let me mark, this is our, and it will definitely go up to this level. Let's see. Like if I'll tell you that if you are in our Telegram group, let me tell you something really amazing. Like at this point in our Telegram group, I have told that the market is going to move up from here. Why? Because there was a fair value gap in the discount that of the weekly, and I have told at this point that the market will go up, and it has moved almost more than 1000 pips. And then I have took multiple trades of buy and shared it in Telegram, like free Telegram group. Don't have a signal group. Like I'll share it just for understanding, but there is a wrong of info, there is lot of wrong information in the market that you should trade with the on the 1 minute time frame. You must stick to one time frame if you want to profitable. Like do top down analysis. This is the main thing. So it has almost moved almost 70 pips from our point of interest that I told you. If someone wants to buy it, must buy from here, and it is continuously moving up. Any questions if you have in your mind about trading, ask in the comment section. Like if we buy from here, where we are going to place our stop loss? Let me show you how you are going to frame a trade. Like at this level, here, this low point. If the market comes here, it is definitely going to come down and taking this opposite side liquidity. At the end, it will go up because the bias is bullish. But what? And our 1 second, and this will be our 1:3. You can say after commissions and spread 3.37 hour, but you can say it as 1:3. And if you have risked 1% of your 100k account, you are going to make 3000 account $3,000, sorry, $3,000 on this trade. If you have uh, risked 1% of your 100k account, and I think 3000, if you have took only one trade like this in 1 month, that is so easy. Like don't try to make 20% in 1 day. Try to make 3 to 5% in 1 day, in 1 month. That is the realistic gain. So this is now invalid because the market has not retraced, and it is almost reached our target. And if I'll place now this is our swing point. But reach there so that we can close our live stream. And before that, if you have any question, I think I have to write down here like this. Spelling is good. That's why ask question. Like it is not confirm for the market to come down to retracement, because if there is a volatility and the buyers are more active than the sellers, it is going to up, it is going to go up. But whatever the higher time frame is, it is going to go there. I took a trade from here, and no, let me show you. I took a trade almost in the afternoon today when the here at this point, and I closed it here because I don't almost at no sorry at what for 38 at 38. You can see in the Telegram group. I think it is no, it is going taking time to go up. If I move to 1 minute, you can see it has came down again to our this swing point. Market play with your emotions. It go up down, and at the end it go where is its target. Okay. It can also go into consolidation. But this is not the time for consolidation. This is New York. Go up and hit our target so that we can get out. Uh, so that people don't start following signal. This is just for learning purposes. Only how much points we need more? Only almost 15 pips. If it move above, it is enough. Still it is enough. Still it is 1:3 almost, because it was 3.37. I cannot see any question. Like you know everything. See, the market is respecting this fair value gap, but this respect is not good. This is just go up down like thing. So thank you so much for your time, and I'm sure it will go there. It can easily go there up, but always enter on the right point where you can have a better risk to reward ratio. Don't play with your money. Take it seriously as a business, and best of luck all of you. See you some other